Hey, check it out. Ethan's back.
Hey!
But not like permanently, only for this video because he needs me to tow a truck for him.
Yeah, there you go.
He went and got a better job and left me behind.
Benefits.
This shop is so much nicer than the one I made you work in.
Yeah, your place sucks.
Does that heat?
It does.
Spoiled.
This is our backup spot. Our actual
Your
spot.
backup spot's better than my good spot.
Yeah, I know. It's not very good.
Yeah. Okay, well, we got a broke down truck we got to tow.
Yep.
Okay, well, let's get this thing loaded up. It is totally dead. Doesn't, like, zero power at all to anything, so something shorted out. We'll get our bed back, hooked up, and just winch it on. Did I park in the right spot? I think I did pretty good. Nope, too far. See how close I was. Oh, I was like an inch or two off. Okay. Alright, up it goes. I just put it in neutral because it doesn't do anything. There is a little bit of a load in it. They scooped most of it out, but it's not enough in it that this truck would care. Actually, this truck would haul this truck fully loaded, so that doesn't really matter at all. Make sure we're somewhat in the center here. Oh yeah, we're good. Actually, if anything, can go a little bit that way. And yes, that does work. Whoop. It's fine, don't worry about it.
You're hurting my truck, Casey. Jeez Louise.
I'm just giving you more to fix when you get it back.
Job security.
Yeah, I'm good for that.
That's quite the shackle dingus you got in the front of this thing.
On
The like the super dip thing you got
that
there?
guarded one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do like anything to it and you're not gonna hurt it. It's impressive.
Challenge accepted.
Here, for old time's sake, hold this one. I missed.
Well, you clearly haven't gotten any better at your job.
No, that's a fact. Did you think I would?
No.
You know very well why the company slogan is, I never said I was good at this.
That's correct.
Go grab a binder. You left too soon.
Yeah, what'd I miss?
We're almost done with our new shop. It's 5,000 square foot, heated floors, fully insulated.
Nice.
Office, break room, and then Harbor Freight's outfitting the whole thing with every tool you can want.
Oh, that's sweet.
And that's all totally made up. That's not true. I'm still working out in the gravel driveway in the snow.
I figured that was the case, but you never know.
Not missing anything.
So the new shop that I'm working at, it's pretty decent. Got most of what I need.
Yeah.
So it's also not 30 minutes from my house. So
Yeah, that helps. You probably have these weird things called like set hours and
yeah,
a schedule and benefits and all that stuff.
I have all of those things.
Are they hiring more because they need a truck driver?
Actually, yes.
I have none of those things.
So you do have like 300 and some odd thousand subscribers, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, and don't forget, if we hit 500,000 by February 1st, we're giving away the Ultimate Adventure Blazer to one of the subscribers.
Oh,
You didn't know about that?
I didn't know about that.
Yeah, because you don't watch my stuff, you don't care anymore.
Oh, darn.
So, the Ultimate Adventure Blazer, you know that, Rick.
I know the Blazer. Love that thing.
If we hit 500,000 subscribers by February 1st, I'm giving that to one of my subscribers.
That's rad.
No having to buy merchandise for entries, no having to pay for all the stuff, like simply, here you go, free. No
That's
cost
cool.
to enter other than hitting subscribe. And you know the analytics side of it a little bit. If even half of my current regular viewers who are not subscribed click subscribe, we'd hit that number. So it's a totally achievable number, just with the viewers I currently have, if they would all click subscribe.
So if you want a rad blazer, you should watch Casey's videos.
Click subscribe. They're already watching.
Well, yeah, but do the thing.
Do the thing. And then you can win the Ultimate Adventure Blazer. Are you subscribed?
I think I am.
You unsubscribed as you drove out the driveway last night. You're like, done with this. Click.
Adios.
Back to a real YouTube channel.
A real YouTube channel? What? I don't have a YouTube channel, Casey. What are you talking about?
Huh?
I don't have a YouTube channel.
No, like back
You're saying
watching
I don't watch any other YouTubers. What is this?
I don't either. And everyone's like, oh, did you see what so-and-so did? I'm like, no.
No.
I don't watch any
No, I watch.
channels.
I'll name drop. I watch the one channel. Mention the one channel that I like.
What's that?
Torque Test channel.
Never heard of it.
Oh man, you gotta watch.
Yeah, but you're a tool nerd. So
I am.
It has something to do with tools.
It does.
Okay.
They test stuff from Harbor Freight, and it usually does very well.
It does, really. Like, if you're open up that box sitting right in front of you, it's Harbor Freight in there.
Look at that, a Bauer.
Oh. And I use my Milwaukee impact gun as like to do the drive lines on the trucks, you know?
Yeah.
How many times have you seen me have to get a breaker bar? I mean, you've seen it.
Yeah.
Break them loose by hand, then use the impact gun to run them out.
Well, it's because you need a yellow one.
That one, that Harbor Freight one, takes them out every time.
I believe it.
Not had to use a breaker bar.
No, I mean the value per dollar. So part of my new job here is I get a company truck that's outfitted with tools. So I'm currently running some stuff that I'm not really super fond of, but I will eventually get to outfit my truck, and
That'll be nice.
I'm gonna go directly to Harbor Freight.
Do it
and that's
your
not
way,
a joke.
The way you want it.
Yep.
That'll be nice. One day I'm gonna outfit my own company. I bought a toolbox for my shop finally.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah, I bought a toolbox.
Nice.
Yeah.
Again, value per dollar. Can't
I don't
beat
have
it.
any tools in it yet, but I bought the toolbox,
That's,
so I'd actually have a shop toolbox for once.
there we go.
Oh wait, why are we talking? We're supposed to hate each other.
Yeah,
The internet says, obviously, that you left, we must hate each other.
clearly.
And everything always ends.
Yes. Everything, Casey, I gotta do the thing,
So
man.
quit fake talking to me and pretending to be nice.
I hate Casey Liddell. I hate him so much. I still have
So
him.
funny that you're not wearing your shirt.
I know, I have, I'm not even wearing my work shirt. But, yeah.
I'm gonna have to start wearing that shirt. Next time I break something.
Yeah, right?
Oh,
Man. Oh,
a jam.
rookie move.
Like,
Yeah.
that is a rookie move. Now the chain's too loose.
First day?
Never said I was good at this. That's a real thing. It's not something that's made up for fun.
Oh, man.
I used the wrong chain.
That's okay.
I know where I can put it.
You're gonna scratch my frame, dude. My leaf springs.
It's just job security. More stuff for you to fix when you get it back.
Well, at least it won't fall
So
off.
you do all their maintenance and stuff here?
Yeah, so we're maintaining it. This is our Sun River yard. This is kind of where things go in the back burner here. But
That's why you're here?
yes. No, I don't actually work down here. I work at the main shop in Bend. But we've got locations in Portland, Coburg, Eugene, Springfield, I think as well.
Well, let me know when you start towed that far so I can make some money.
There you go. We actually have a fleet of truck drivers. So, but I will definitely mention it to the big man.
Yeah, hey, big man. Gotcha.
So,
Forget what I said about scratching your truck earlier.
yeah.
We're professionals, and we are good at this.
Yes.
I'll give you a good reference if you give me one.
I appreciate you coming out and helping us out. This
No problem.
we're down on trucks, so if we can get these things back up and running and squared away, we can get guys back to work. So
it's loaded and tied down, so I'll head to the shop.
perfect.
All right. Everybody say goodbye to Ethan. You'll never see him again.
Never, not even once.
Nope. Later, haters. Just kidding. There he is again. All right, let's head to the shop. And we're out of here. We got to head like 20 minutes back up the road to town and to the shop. Scales are open, so we got scales to go through, which is not an issue. But so we're at the scales here, where I got pulled in and I am getting inspected. They red lighted to me, pulled me over for inspection because this truck. It's been a while since this truck's been inspected. Actually, the last time this truck has been inspected was down in California when I got an out of service for not having a logbook. And then they let me drive off with the out of service. And then I went through a whole thing with the FMCSA and they cleared all that and cleared it out and said the officer was wrong and I was right. So now we're getting another inspection. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, we are waiting for the truck to build air back up. We're all done. We passed our inspection. He didn't do a level 1. I wanted a level 1 so that I'd get a shiny new sticker in the window, but he said they don't get to choose what type of inspections they do anymore. It's all like an algorithm-based thing that the computer tells them when they run your number and all that. And this truck just got called for a walk-around inspection, paperwork inspection, lights, air pressures, low air alarms, all that stuff. Not a crawl under the truck level 1. So that means no sticker because it wasn't a level 1. That sucks. I want a sticker. But good news is we passed all the paperwork side of it and load securement, everything good. So a few more pounds of air in this thing and we will continue down the road. Super cool dude though. I had some questions on some of how all that works because they've changed how the FMCSA regulates what these guys do and what they're allowed to do and how it picks on who gets inspections and when and what and everything. He answered a lot of questions, so that was cool. So I think we're good. Okay, we're here putting this Isuzu in front of that Isuzu next to this Isuzu. But what I think I'm gonna do is go get my skates. See, skates under the bumper and then it slides nice and easy and doesn't tear up their parking lot. Perfect. That'll work. And we're back home, so we got to drop gloves, but we got to see Ethan. Had a nice positive interaction with the DOT. And we got to get a customer's truck to the shop and no problem. So overall, good day. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the next one.